And it's Halloween month again, guys, and I have this spooky rainbow witch Halloween makeup tutorial for you. Watch to see and visit my Instagram page for the spookiest lip arts and lots of makeup looks. First of all, I'm going to prime my eyes with a transparent primer. About a minute later, after the primer has set, I'm going for the first eyeshadow. I'm using a small fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply all the shadows. Starting with the outer corner. All the eyeshadow names are listed in the description box. I'm applying the eyeshadows one by one from the outer corner to the inner, extending the color in the crease slightly more than below. In order to smooth out the borders between the colors, slightly overlap two neighboring eyeshadows. Now let's blend out the border of the upper lid shadows. Also, I want to apply some transition colors, so I'm applying from the outer lid to the inner a little bit of purple, pink, orange and yellow. And let's blend a little bit again. It's now time to remove this fallout. Once again, we should apply the primer, and this time I will use a cotton bud. For the lower lid, I'm going to use a small flat-ended brush. Now let's go to the cobweb design. First, draw some thin lines along the end of your eyeshadow, like if you were drawing a simple wing. Now let's spread the cobweb. Don't forget to keep your pencil sharp. In order to look natural, the lines across the cobweb shouldn't be straight, they should be slightly bended inwards. Now I only need to add a little bit of eyeliner, and in order to blend it organically in the cobweb, I will add some ombre on the outer corner. To achieve the ombre effect, just blend one pencil into another. It's mascara time! And in case you're in the Halloween mood, you can also draw a spider on your cheek. The only thing I have left for the eye makeup is applying the black pencil to my waterline, but since nothing stays in my waterline for more than 20 minutes, I will do the lips first. If you want to add a little bit of volume to the spider, you can apply a tiny bit of silver eyeshadow in the middle. I always use a lip base to prime my lips. And I'm also adding a tiny bit of the Black Unicorn Diamond Crusher by Lime Crime for a very slight ombre effect on my lips. I'm only applying it to the center. Lastly, let's apply the black pencil to the waterline. Now the only thing you need to finish your look is a witch hat. So guys, I hope you liked this tutorial, and with the hat or without, you're going to be a real witch with this rainbow cobweb makeup. So please let me know if you have any questions left. All the products used are listed in the description box, and so is my Instagram page, with lots of makeup looks and lip arts. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Happy Halloween, you loves!